This is Muhammad Javed from the Queen's English House with first ever tutorial lesson on this channel, which is based on pronunciation. This video is part of a 52 video series of accent reduction training. When it comes to spoken English in a non-native environment, the very common problem that people face is that when they meet the native speakers during conversation, they find it very hard to understand them. And that is because of poor listening. So, to resolve this problem, one of the finest solutions is getting accent reduction training. And that's why we started filming these tutorial lessons to help you become confident and clear English speakers. And I know that after all the things said, you might have raised a question in your mind that which accent is going to be taught through these lessons. So the accent which you will learn in these tutorial lessons is Multicultural London Accent, MLA. And the reasons for why we are teaching Multicultural London Accent are two. Number one, it's diverse. And number two, it's neutral. So it's quite easy to understand this accent and speak with it. As they say, that spelling is never a true guide towards pronunciation. It's only the sounds of that language which guide us towards the right pronunciation. So we're going to start our first level 1, with learning the sounds of London accent. And for that, today's lesson is based on the classification of the 45 sounds of London accent. So let's get into it. So let's start the classification of the 45 sounds of London accent. These 45 sounds are divided into two basic classes called consonants and vowels. The consonant sounds are 26 in number and the vowel sounds are 19. To learn the consonant sounds classification, we have the next video, and in today's video we people will learn the classification of the 19 vowel sounds. But before we go towards the classification, let's understand what's the basic difference between a consonant and a vowel sound. A consonant and a vowel sound are different in one basic aspect, and that is the blockage which is offered to the flow of the air when a consonant sound is generated, while in case of vowel sound there is no such barrier offered to the flow of the air. This is the basic difference between a consonant and a vowel. Now let's go towards the classification of the 19 vowel sounds. These 19 vowel sounds are divided into two further classes called monophthongs and diphthongs. The monophthongs are single sounds and the diphthongs are double vowel sounds. Two monophthongs get together and they give us one diphthong. Monophthongs are 12 in number and diphthongs are 7. Diphthongs do not have any further classification, but monophthongs do have. Monophthongs are again divided into two classes based on time length. The vowel sounds, or the monophthongs out of 12, like the ones which take longer time, are called long vowels and they are 5 in number, while the ones which take shorter time, they are called short vowel sounds and they are 7 in number. So this is the end of the classification of the 19 vowel sounds. And to learn the classification of the consonant sounds, we have the next video, inshallah. Thank you very much and bye-bye.